Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on the markets, we had a pullback in SPY today. A little bit of weakness at the end of the day, and after hours, that weakness followed through. So we're going to be watching for the potential of further consolidation. So far today, it was very, very minimal. We filled a little bit of a gap down here, but that was not a significant pullback. We could be forming a little bull flag before the new all-time high. At this point, absolutely no red flags whatsoever. And we'll see if we pull back a bit more tomorrow. Again, we're noticing we saw weakness pre-market in SPY, and then the bulls bought during the day. And then after hours, we saw weakness. So again, a lot of the weakness is in extended hours, not really seeing a ton of weakness during regular trading when the real volume's coming in. So the weekly time frame, all bull. IWM on the daily chart, trying to form a higher low and see continuation by breaking 168.49. Bulls would love it if this is the higher low, 166.49. Very brief consolidation. And if we get that follow through, the all-time high is pretty close. Again, IWM is the closest to losing this uptrend on the weekly time frame. So it is something I am keeping an eye on. QQQ still watching this all-time high, 182.93, getting closer and closer. At this point, we've seen 7 green days in a row. We know healthy consolidation is coming. Hasn't really happened yet. And when it comes, it likely will not be significant. And the weekly time frame, right on the verge of that all-time high. VIX continues to show weakness, pretty much the same range as yesterday. 1052 a double bottom and a lower high by 6 pennies. Still all bears, 5 big red days in a row. Trying to build that base of support, clear stop level to use if looking for a short-term bounce play. And on the weekly, there's a lack of support below that. Bulls need to break the lower high pattern, 4 days in a row with lower highs. And that first resistance, 11.18 on watch tomorrow. XLK, not following through at all with that bearish doji from yesterday, holding up strong, still watching the resistance just like QQQ. 74.24 could be looking at an equilibrium if we cannot break that level, and we have to pull back and form a higher low on the daily, but no sign of that pullback just yet. We started pulling back this morning, but by the second half of the day, the bulls completely turned things around. Very similar to QQQ. And the financial sector, same thing. Big upper wick, bearish reversal shooting star candlestick, and no follow-through for the bears. So a daily inside bar, strongest close we've seen. And the trend change is certainly underway for the financial sector. All systems go for the bulls. Certainly well aware that short-term healthy consolidation on the daily chart is coming soon. And we'll look for the higher lows when that does happen, unless we see significant bear volume that tells us otherwise. Pretty simple, just following through, and we'll see you tomorrow.